na mestre mo nso se aboto ya ekwa ni nkugu ebaye yemfa ne se yekwa fom ene yekwa hyehye mankeni hyehye bode hyehye anka ene kwadu ene makonyina aka ho ne yede si yewura Bawumia tiri so se ono na onso anoma no fanye den emfa nkofie ena ye nyina ye ka ho yekoduru kwa so baabi no ana enoma no hojoye ana ehwie gu fom dia na sasa ye esese ya hyehye noma ni ye anyasa wasa ye nyina busuafo no ye hia na ye hyehye noma ni ye ye nkasa ye ba na oso noma no ye mpam no efre busuani mo ye pam ne se be ye eno ntina panimfo se wo noma hwie gu a ana wo ye den o hyehye hu no hyehye panimfo ka se wo noma hwie gu a ana wo pam wo ba ya se wo noma hwie gu a ana wo ye den wo hu no hyehye ti se ye nyina ya ti ase se kantan na enoma wo mu no eno ne MPP party eno ne MPP amamu a ebebu ye no ye bu amamu no mfie wotwe kantan baako mfie wotwe ne nyina eno nko ana ye de kwa afuom juada kantan kuro ya okuada kantan kuro ya efiada kantan kuro ya memenda kantan kuro ya na ma me wo so kantan baako mfie wotwe a emu nyamre eti kantan no na ahojo ana ama noma na ye den ahwiagu yemfa homa emo kantan ni mu ye na ye hyehye noma no na ye fa nsi Bawumia koso wode bekofie akwakodurama ye wode bekwakodurama ye eti we eye kasa tintin bia na enoma na ye hyehye no nso eye nyina na sese ye hwe ye fa mankin to ha ye fa bode en hye ha ye fa kwadu ne sa ne hye ha de hyehye ne kama e kire se ye nyina na ye beye ye ho aduro enoma na sese ye hyehye ne ye ne se me ene wo bia waka esese ye da suban ne ne ye dia emma party ni enwinwi na obenya ahoden e de aye adwuma eduru ba bia na ye suban ni bia da na dikura na obi a waye polling station adwuma emre bebre na ba mukura timi bu otimi kasa adwuma no kra menya den menya bio ni nyina ne adidija aya na ewo ye mu emre bia adidija kukurudu abusiafo sayaya adidija ho adwuma ekunumudi amana sayaya adidija ho adwuma ye nyina ya fa koma ba ko anye campaign no eti wochena se bibi ba na yese ye nche ama unuamnya bia fa ne de ekoma no na adidija bia efri ho kukurudu na sabe mesrambeka aya kukurudu sabe adidija ewo party mu anisa ade se obi yemfa ma no na edi abufuo ba no ye de ho sobo ebo Bawumia eyeye ye de ho sobo bo na eyeye eti Bawumia na ma ye lusu ye Bawumia na ma ye lusu ye sanya Bawumia na ma ye lusu ye dia ya nsa fa ne nko onko tinkunim afa mra party no ya fa ne ko bio kukurudu ye noma esasa ye hyehye ne ye nso ye noma esasa ye hyehye ne ye nso ebi ni se nyame ye ya dom na odomfo dom ye na ye sa ba abamu biewa na bibi wo ho asase ye de ma party fo a ye ma ne mrantem na obi ansan kanede kukurudu na anu aya kwato abai ye nim sa party fo ate ha ye kuafo anya sa ye ni anu bia aka ofie omo ye kuafo anya sa na ya de fertilizer ba ade ba chia bia kwato aba ene ya de fertilizer ba kukurudu eti sayani musa fertilizer here party for na ya de fertilizer baba asasa bantam anya sa ana ya tra ho sama for and I fertilizer and on my chair and on my chair. Now, Sabe, Kukudu, Sabe, Mesramo, fertilizer baba, and this a fertilizer ma, and this a fertilizer baba and tem, and this a fertilizer man tem. Why near this house of one Bebono? Bawumia, or Greek minister. Bawumia, or Greek minister. And two different fertilizer of Boba Bawumia, and yet,
Alright, I was having my video in them.
Oh, you see, say you said delegate for your mistake. No more talk about the H0t Dr Bawumia. A bad MPP communicators. Let's make $1. And the campaign it's here in this. You use because it will be a very big mistake. Say delegate for best house about the Dr Bawumia. It will be a big mistake. Because right now, I didn't have to force him. Ghana first. Because right now, businessman be a sebi. Who business be a GND. Because right now, I didn't have to force him. Say a magical. Say you juju. Say Professor Sabina owe you. Dollar. Say yes. $1 more. Only the oil $1. Right now, a bad day now. We MPP communicator. What to me the dollar now? What to me the city pounds now? I can't convince Ghana and you be saying Uncle Toban from my MPP. It's not going to be possible. It's not going to be possible. What's in Kwanami didn't say? Because right now, and this for them making sure say dollar no more $1 no what you dollar no soon take off your Dr. Bawumia buying. You do $1 and Janeko went to my $1 no worry. To send the power, who bet about Ghana for 2028. I know my M share right now. I know my M share. I know my M share cause the juvenile to forcing at the dollar nation. To force over more than yes, over more than no credit. Because economic Messiah grant my way, economic Messiah, economic Jesus Christ, economic Muhammad, went to my any way, oh, more than Kasa. After forcing. Right now, my M share. To make that convince Ghana for say, you're a Dr. Bawumia, a economic Messiah, to move for Ghana and Shenansa. Abraham Shenansa, whom the dollar you could see. Abraham Shenansa, whom will be a dollar, a Johnny could see. On made that dollar to force and say, that's not a Bawumia, and they want how they are. That's my problem.
Alright, I was here for guy with your friend is Zoom Mafia, where Kennedy called for back. Made them say, we're very intelligent, but he said, after I mean, said, I really be a quan where we are born. A quan we are born. I was here for the first some time ago, and I said some months ago, President John Dramani Mahama, I need the NDC are buying. See, Omubey jet 4.4 billion. Egu exchange rate market and move. So yeah. Send a $1 no be phone. Omu ya and $1 na ba phone be do 10 cedis. And I said ginsem and $1 no so shoot to control cedis plus. Last 2 weeks no, I said last week and a Bank of Ghana esa babontin say omu the 1.1 billion I ko share dollar no mu biom send a be san ba phone. Enu 3 days new within 3 days omu jeti sa 1.1 billion egu forest market no mo eno na dollar na sa bafo. Common sense should tell you that to tell you say what President John Dramani Mahama is doing and I say atofos now who praising no a total nonsense because bisa omu say benefits ben and na ye nyam say mu waste yesika the gu forest exchange no se na be ya dollar no be ba from e branko fu wo kroma government no entumi ntu amoka. People have worked for 10 good months. Government na ntu amoka o but when ya sasika no the gu forest exchange no se na be ya dollar be ba from se na be ya mu ebi mu amu nche no you will be shouting online and Ato is forcing. What is Ato forcing about this thing? Benefit ben 4.4 billion now mu dia share first a dollar about 10 cedis no benefit ben na wo nye fem niama na ye to no the same price is na esa question Electricity bill, the water bill, the so what exactly are you saying? I said, we could join this camp, no? I said, also, like, meaning, common sense should tell you that this government, the priority, they say, Muna, I say, you know, any Jumaka, it's Mumbai, they do online, and no pay. But the people that this government is supposed to serve, no, now we Ghana, $1. Do we transact in dollar? The only reason the government will have say and I said the only OEM and say he want to fight dollar. Now Bisa say for how long would this government continue to be pumping money into the forest market? For how long are they going to continue? Just say they want to be like a dollar no fee 14 cities about 10 cities until the end of the year. And no pay. But Bisa say can they do this thing forever? Ube $2 million kun. Ube $2 million kun. Nkofo okrom untu ni omo ejuma. And then we see untu nkofo na we promise you 24-hour economy. This government cannot even employ the people. You see, our only country, different countries, SIA agreement or the nkolana be fit krono ako different place. And this is what you people are thinking. This is what you are present at all is forcing. And you be a who are two forces, you know. Yeah, two forces in finance minister. And until one can say, yeah, Mammy Jane, I was in Dr. Bawumia. Sometimes young youths now, Maban. You people should be talking like this because I go school. Yeah, I am good school, and I will not fall for this low thing. Simple and the simple knowledge should tell you, say, open piece of car, you are wasting money. To gain what? Nothing. At the end of the day, the price is not yet torn and now do press ukrano. So what are you telling us? What are you telling us? Calipona yet 23 cities. You see 5 cities. Oh, government now saying the dollar about 10 cities. So what are you saying? What are you saying?